Because with that, if the person gets away or even if the person is there and doesn't have insurance, you're going to have some kind of coverage to protect you.
All right, well, thank you, Reed. We have our first caller of the evening. You may have actually just answered the question, but we want to say hi to Joe from North Augusta, a friend of the program. How are you, Joe?
Hey, how are y'all?
Great.
Well,
What I've got is, I'm sorry. What I've got is a situation where I came out of the college one night after closing the building down, and in the process, I walked over to my car and discovered that somebody had backed into the driver's door. And no notice, no nothing, and I'm the only one in the parking lot at the time. There was no note on the windshield or anything. I'm just wondering, is this an understeer motorist activity? Is this something I go back to the school with? Where do I do with it?
Joe, did it happen in Georgia or South Carolina?
Georgia.
Georgia. Joe, the answer to your question is that you can file, because it is physical damage to your car, you can file it under your uninsured motorist coverage, and you know, you can choose between the two whether you want to file it under your collision coverage or your uninsured motorist coverage. I choose the one with the smaller deductible, and it's a very common occurrence. That's basically what your option is in light of the guy getting away. Where you have the situation where you don't have any damage to the car, like say for example if you were going down the interstate and somebody like a big truck runs you off the road, changes lanes and runs you off the road, you do have to have an independent witness to verify that if there's no contact between the vehicles, but then you're still protected under your uninsured motorist coverage, which is exactly why we tell everybody to get it when you take out your automobile insurance coverage, because it covers that kind of situations and avoids that guy mayhem.